the nose in here is quite pungent. It smells like you get a little bit of the hot sauce, but it's just a lot of vinegar. How's it? You get used to it?
Oh yeah, you get used to it. I mean, after years of working over here, you get used to the smell, and I don't smell anything.
Even when you walk in first thing in the morning?
First thing in the morning.
You think it smells like everything else?
Smell like go time to me.
Hi guys, this is Franco. The video that I'm learning this week is how Tabasco factory makes 700,000 bottles of hot sauce per day. The word I've learned is nose. I'm not talking about the nose on our face. In this video, nose means smell. So the nose is very pungent. It's the same as the smell is very pungent. I guess you may already know the word pungent. It means a strong smell or taste. However, nose is usually used in wine tasting if you want to talk about the smell. How do I know this? Because I found it really difficult to find a real-life example of using nose. So I asked people on the internet, and thank you, Jeepers, for teaching me. And finally, let's see a real-life example of the word nose.
Let's go sniffy snip on this. Yeah. This has a totally different nose than the first wine. This is also a white wine.
Spicy. Really? I don't smell that.
Smell like a little bit of vanilla.
Yeah.
There's a ton of vanilla. Do you smell that? Mm-hmm. You got that, Shroudy?